Right, my viewers, you don't know. It's all about reach in the hills and the valleys. Yeah? So I'm gonna say the real one. It's all about the hills and the valleys of Campbell's, you know what I mean? As you can see, yeah. Today it's all about the hills and the valleys. Check out the sky. Yeah. It's all about we're gonna get some rain. The sky is very cloudy, but you don't know. This is the best time to chat the hills. See my people. So stick and stay. Yes, me people. You don't know, say. Me no pass my cane field. Yeah, this little place here me used to plant. Me used to plant ground here, so. Yeah, so. You don't know, you know. Me always plant my cane. Search for my knife. Yeah, I always plant my cane. Even when me farm, me plant cane. Can't pass and a cut a cane, brother. Now that me say, the real ribbon cane, brother. Yes, brother. Yes, brother, the real ribbon cane, brother. Why me da really carry the head go plant it? Yeah, man, me da really carry the head go plant it, you know. Me da really carry the head go plant it. Me go carry it. Me go carry it, my viewers. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, man. Me go carry it, go plant it, my viewers. Carry it to a yard, go plant it. But you don't know, bottom part of the cane are the sweetest and are the biggest part. So right now, yeah, you want to get the whole root of the cane. Yeah, 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 man. My God. I want to get the whole root of the cane, brother. Throw it out of my bag. Don't know if we can find the next one, you know. Yeah. But yeah, man. All the farm used to go on with here, so. Yeah. But you don't know. Them grass here wicked for me, trust me. I couldn't get rid of them. I have to run left them. So I'm gonna say, alright. You have a cane top here. Right, cut off piece more. Cut off piece more the top as you can hold inside the bag. Yeah. Yes, I can't go a yard go plant it. See? Yes, my viewers, you have something they call mosquito. Yeah? We're inside of the mosquito town right now. We're inside of the mosquito town. The mosquito town. We're inside the mosquito town, alright? Yeah, we all get whole heap of bite up. Yeah, man, whole heap of bite up. Alright? Yeah, man. Walk through the road here and show you the chalk pass. Going straight to the plantation. Yeah? Right now we're going to a place called Big Bottom. Yeah, them call it Big Bottom. Don't know why the reason if the bottom down there big, but you know. Yeah. Alright. This is the first fig tree. Yeah. First fig tree that I pass right here. Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I. Hear the birds them? Alright, this is the first rock. Yeah, this is the first rock here. Right here I always park my bike. When I ride the bicycle, I park it right around here. Right around here is my garage. You know what I mean? Yes, as you can see, me viewers. I'm one of the hills and valley also. Yeah, man. Me love chat the hills and the valley. Nature is my, you know? Yeah, nature is my religion. So I'm saying, yeah, man. Nature is my religion, brother. There's nothing like nature. Mother Earth. Yeah? Yeah, man. It's nice to chat the hills, you know? And the valleys, you know what I mean? Yeah. See what what nature is doing. Yeah, yeah man, this is what I love. Alright, as you can see, there's a rock almost over my head. Yeah, all over there is rock, you know. If you look clearly through, yeah, the trees, there is rock. Right ahead, up there's a rock. Alright? And trust me, one of the time we're gonna take a hike up on that rock. Yeah? Alright? Here is the Jamaican apple village. There's a lot of apple tree here. And apple is on the tree, you know. Ripe apple is over there, but trees are very tall. These trees are very tall, man. You ain't climb these trees. Oh yeah? As you can see. Yeah? Pear apple tree over here, so. Yeah man. Look me people. There, rock. There's a rock. See it? There's a rock. Yeah? There's a rock. And there's a rock way up ahead. Yeah? There's a rock. Alright? Yeah man. Alright? Down in this valley here. Down in this valley. They call Big Bottom. Alright? Don't know why they call it. But yes, my viewers. Take a sneak preview. There's the rock. Way up there is the rock. I'm gonna give you a better view. I'm gonna give you a zoom. I'm gonna give you a zoom up there to show you the rock. See that? That is the rock from the ground go right up there. Yeah? Up on top of that rock, there's a place that there's a place to walk to go up there. Yeah, very easy and simple to go up there. You know, but don't want to chat it me alone, you know, have to have some followers with me to travel that road. But yes, my viewers, the hills and valley. Alright, my viewers, right here, there was some cabbage plant here, the purple cabbage and the green cabbage. Yeah, as you can see, right here was the purple cabbage and the green cabbage. And some bell peppers, but the bell peppers is still here. As you can see, some of the purple cabbage are still here. Yeah. Yeah man, but pepper here. There's a lot of pepper here still. Yeah. There's a lot of pepper here still. Yeah man, there's a lot of pepper still here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. I'll go through and show you guys a little. Yeah. Seems like this is cucumber. Right. Yeah. Right. Still we have some purple cabbage here still. But we have pepper here. We have a lot of pepper here still. Mosquito is biting also. Yeah man. Look on this little tree here. 3 pepper is on it. Carrying it right down to the ground, yeah? Yeah man, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Look on this pepper here. Yeah, nice, huge. Yeah man. Yeah. Look on this pepper here. Yeah. Alright, something plant over here, don't know what. Something lately plant over here. Look like it is, it was cabbage plant over here. Cabbage plant back out over here lately. Whoa, pepper. Look here. Lovely, don't it? Whoa. Should never carry the cane with me. Should never carry the cane with me. Look here my viewers. Look here. I don't know what is the name of this pepper, but look on it. My God. Yeah? Yeah? Don't know the name of this pepper here, Don't know the name of this pepper here. Yes, my viewers. Don't know the name of this pepper. Don't know the name of these pepper, but trust me, they look nice. They look nice. No, I lie, them look nice. Whoa. Whoa, my viewers. Don't know the name of these pepper here. Don't know the name of these pepper, my viewers. Don't know the name of these pepper. Don't know the name of these pepper, my viewers. But trust me, they're looking good. This is when I say plant something. You know what I mean? Alright. There is a yellow pepper here. Here is a yellow pepper. Here is a yellow pepper. Yeah? You know the yellow pepper is very delicate. But this is a yellow pepper tree. Alright? Yeah. Farm looking nice. Farm looking nice, my viewers. Farm looking nice, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Farm looking nice. We have to plant something, you know what I mean? Yeah, have to plant something before something plant us. Yeah, look at this little tree here. Yeah, you have a plant like this at home. Yeah, you okay. You don't have to go to the market. You can just pick one to put on your fish or your meat. Yeah. I love to see the yellow peppers, you know. I love to see the yellow peppers, trust me. Yeah, I love to see the yellow peppers. Yes, my viewers. Want to hit my cane, but can't hit the cane yet. Can't hit the cane yet, my viewers. Yeah. Alright, this little part here spray down. This little part here now spray down to do some more farming. Yeah. So I will be heading up that hill. Going up that hill up here. Right now, I have to heat my cane. You know what I mean? I have to heat my cane before going further. Yeah? So yes, my viewers, stick and stay, because there's a lot more video to come. And don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? I'm gonna give you a zoom of the rock again. Yeah? As you can see, that is the rock. All up there is the rock. Yeah, come straight down ahead. Yeah man, there's a road round here where we walk, go through and go up on top of the rock. Yeah, and this rock also go back to Believe Paradise Cave. There's a cave round at the other side where a guy have a bar inside of a cave. Yeah, Believe Paradise Cave. If you check in the previous video in the channel here, on the channel here, you can see, yeah, Believe Paradise Cave. Yeah man, beautiful view, you know what I mean? You have a bar inside of a cave. Yeah, trust me. Yes, my viewers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. So stick and stay. I will be right back with the next video.